Want to know which car insurance companies will give you the best deals this year? Well, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm going to break down the top car insurance companies that you should know about, companies that you should get quotes from in order to see if they can save you some money. A couple of these companies have a very unique pricing model that I have not seen before, but they can potentially save us a ton of money. So definitely check them out. So if you want to save money while getting the coverage that you need, make sure you watch the video until the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel so we can make some smart financial decisions together, especially ones regarding car insurance. Now let's start off with the top 5 car insurance companies for this year. Some of these you have probably never even heard of. So the first one is called Hugo Insurance, the future of car insurance. Micro payments, on-demand coverage, no down payments, no hidden fees. This one is a relatively new company, but so far they have an excellent rating. What makes Hugo Insurance different is their payment plans and their structure overall. So you are able to make flexible payments and get flexible coverage. For example, you can buy a couple of days worth of coverage, you can buy a couple of weeks worth of coverage, or a month's worth of coverage. So if you work 3 days a week and you only want to insure your vehicle for 3 days every single week, with Hugo Insurance you'll be able to do so. And then the other days that you are not driving, you don't have to pay for car insurance. This is something that I absolutely love. You only pay for the days that you drive your vehicle, and I cannot wait till they get to my state so I can give them a try. Also, you'll be able to control everything from your mobile phone. So all you got to do is go into the app, select the days you want coverage for, and pay for them, and you'll be covered. Also, they have a ton of different coverage options from liability to full coverage as well. When we compare Hugo to Root Insurance, Metro Mile, and Progressive, you will see that Hugo has a ton of advantages. You can earn instant cash rewards, you can pay at your own pace, flexible micro payments, no down payments required. In my opinion, Hugo is going to be a major player in the next couple of years, so definitely give Hugo a try. I'm about to share an awesome car insurance comparison tool that you definitely need to check out when shopping for car insurance. Finding the right car insurance doesn't have to be stressful. With this car insurance comparison tool, you can easily compare multiple offers from top providers all in one place. Whether you are looking for better coverage or you want to save money, this tool helps you find great offers that fit your needs. It is quick, free, and tailored to your specific situation. Stop spending hours searching. Let the comparison tool do the work for you. Check it out now. The link will be in the description box below. The next insurance company on my list is called Root Insurance. Car insurance made simple. Root has been around for many years and they have an excellent rating. As you can see, they have over 65,000 reviews and counting. So Root, very good business model. They only insure good drivers. So if you have a clean record, you've never been in an accident, I highly recommend you give Root Insurance a try to see how much money you can potentially save. They also offer roadside assistance. You can file a claim in 3 minutes or less. Best of all, they have the mobile app where you can track your policy, make payments, and do all of that important stuff. When we scroll down, you will see all the states where you are able to get Root Insurance. They are constantly expanding. Personally, I have used Root for many years and I absolutely love their model and I love their pricing. They have some of the best prices out there. So definitely check out Root Car Insurance. The next company on the list is called Mile Auto. Drive less, then pay less. See how much you could save with pay per mile insurance. So you only pay for the miles that you drive. Our pay per mile insurance is straightforward, easy to use, and can save low miles drivers 30 to 40% off of their current rates. 65% of us drive less than 10,000 miles a year. If that is you, you are probably paying too much for car insurance. As it states on their website, we charge pennies and value your privacy. All you got to do is once a month, send a photo of your odometer, and that is it. They will see how many miles you have driven, and that is how much you're going to end up paying. This is a great way to save a ton of money, especially if you don't drive a lot. This is great for people that are in school, also for people that do not drive a lot to work. Like, let's say your job is like 5-10 minutes away, Mile Auto could potentially save you a ton of money. Also, if you are retired and you don't drive a lot, Mile Auto might be your best choice. Also, one thing that I do want to mention, if you have multiple vehicles, you can get one vehicle insured with Mile Auto, especially if you got an extra car that you only drive on the weekend or your project or something like that. Mile Auto might be the right choice for you. Number 4 on this list is no other than Geico. The reason I'm putting Geico on the list is because it is one of the biggest car insurance companies in America, and they have some of the best coverages as well. I have compared multiple car insurance companies in the past, and Geico tends to have some of the best prices on there. Best of all, you can literally get the coverage within minutes, pay for what you need, and you'll be insured. Geico is definitely slept on in my opinion, so that is why I'm putting it on this list. They have great coverage, great customer service, lots of different coverage options, great app as well, and a ton of discounts from all the big insurance companies that you have probably seen all over the place. In my opinion, Geico is one of the best ones out there. So I highly recommend you check out Geico. And finally, the last one on my list is Liberty Mutual Insurance. Liberty offers a ton of different coverages from auto, home, condo, renters, boat, motorcycle, whatever you want to insure. Chances are you'll be able to insure with Liberty Mutual. This is one of those companies that a lot of people do not even try simply because the name is not catchy. They're not like very familiar with. A lot of people, when they hear Liberty Mutual, they automatically think of condos, renters, homeowners insurance. They tend to forget that Liberty Mutual also offers auto insurance, and they have some very good rates as well. Personally, I have been switching from Geico to Liberty Mutual back and forth every like 6 months simply because they have very good pricing as well. So Liberty Mutual, another big insurance company that made it on this list. When it comes to car insurance companies, one might be cheaper for you and might be expensive for me. So I highly recommend you shop around as much as possible. Use a car insurance comparison tool like the one I have linked in the description box below and shop around. And don't just shop around once every couple of years. Shop around every 6 months. That is how you'll stay on top of your game, and that is how you'll keep your cheap car insurance. That is how you get the best price possible. Also, every person is different. The car that I drive, my age, my location, my zip code, my credit score, it all plays a factor into how much I pay for car insurance. And the same thing goes for you. Every single person has a different situation, and every single person will get a different price. So shop around as much as you can. Check out all 5 of these companies and see which one has the best price and the best coverage for you. So there you have it, the top car insurance companies to compare this year. Whether you're looking for affordable rates, excellent customer service, or some special discounts, these companies have you covered. Best of all, they have multiple different type of structures, so you can pay per mile or you can get regular monthly coverage. It all depends on your situation. So do not settle for just any insurance. Take the time to compare rates, check out the discounts, and find the coverage that fits your needs. Now I want to hear from you. What is your favorite car insurance company? Which one is giving you the best price and the best coverage? Let me know in the comment section below what company you want us to check out. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe for more awesome tips. Also, check out the link in the description box below for a free car insurance comparison tool where you can easily compare offers and find the best deal for you. That is all I have for today's video. See you in the next one. Peace out.